Spektrum turn signal and reverse bulbs from WeissLicht adopt a revolutionary design that makes them more powerful than factory bulbs and completely error-free with no additional components. Spektrum bulbs are a new addition to a growing lineup of top-quality LED lighting solutions from WeissLicht. Spektrum bulbs feature the smallest LED source point for the best possible concealment while delivering superior illumination due to its unique design properties. They operate at cooler temperatures than other high wattage bulbs, therefore not compromising the lifespan of the LED chip, which can be significantly reduced by overheating. Complete with a lifetime exchange warranty, Spektrum bulbs are the last signal or reverse bulbs you will need to buy. Spektrum bulbs are designed from the ground up. We've thrown away all of the ineffective designs of the past and started from scratch to design a bulb that is brighter, longer lasting, installs easier, and is more compatible with your vehicle than ever before. Spektrum bulbs are made from a billet aluminum body incorporating a total of 6 tiny, high-powered Cree LEDs, making them 3 to 8 times brighter than conventional bulbs found in your vehicle. By keeping the number of LEDs down to a minimum, it allows the bulb to be as concealed as possible in your lens. Even the smallest colored LED point source can reflect many times in a gridded lens reflector. With 4 side source points, Spektrum bulbs outconceal the competition. To maximize the brightness of our LED sources, we've surrounded each LED chip with a large reflective dish. This allows the LED to reach its full illumination spread before hitting the vehicle lens reflector. The result is a brighter bulb than many higher wattage bulbs with more LEDs found on the market. This less is more approach in LED sources has allowed Spektrum bulbs to run cooler than the competition. There are many mimicking bulb designs on the market already that use 50 and even 80 watts of combined LED point sources per bulb housing. Our testing showed that this will increase the heat stored by the bulb, potentially melting the bulb, discoloring it, or warping your lens over time. We found that for this type of bulb design, our 30-watt minimal point source size and highly effective reflector approach will give the bulb the longest life without compromising on brightness. On the front of the bulb, you will find a curved lens design that significantly magnifies the 2 high-powered LEDs found under the lens. Our special plastic front and side lenses are made to withstand the heat from our LEDs and not discolor or melt over time. We compared Spektrum 30-watt LED bulbs against competitors' bulbs of the same wattage and design. Spektrum bulbs were brighter visually and with a light meter. Even against 50 and 80 watt bulbs, Spektrum 30-watt bulbs are of equal brightness in most lenses, but without the problems of overheating and a shorter lifespan. Our bulbs are hand-built to the highest manufacturing standards, which can be seen in our final product. Spektrum bulbs come in many of the most popular bulb types and are available in either amber or white illuminating colors. Depending on the vehicle lens design, our amber illuminating bulbs are up to 3 times brighter than the best conventional factory bulbs, and up to 8 times brighter in white illumination. When using our white illuminating bulbs as reverse lights, you increase brightness up to 8 times and make any backing up situation much safer. Spektrum bulbs operate completely error-free in your vehicle. For the first time with LED bulbs, you will not need to install any extra components such as air cancellers, bulb bases, or any special wiring. Simply install and go. For more information on this product, please visit www.bimian.com/WTS. Also available, Spektrum fog light bulbs. These decorative bulbs are the best match to factory xenon HID headlights available anywhere. Please visit www.bimian.com/WLF for more details. WeissLicht products are available at bimian.com and other BMW parts retailers.
Accessing the socket is different depending on the vehicle. Some vehicles provide easy access through the engine bay, like the E70 X5. On some vehicles, access is easier through a door in the wheel well that needs to be unclipped or unscrewed, like on the E90, E92 3 Series. In some very rare cases, you may need to completely remove the light housing to access the bulb. We will demonstrate the installation of the bulb on an E92 light housing, and will begin by unclipping and removing the bulb socket base from the housing. Next, we press the clips, rotate, and remove the original bulb. We will seat the new bulb into the socket base and rotate. With the light housing removed from the car, we can show you just how the bulb contacts lock when inserted. These 2 points must make contact first, before the bulb socket base can be rotated back into place. Be sure to gently rotate the base until it eases into the housing, then press firmly, and lastly, rotate. If the socket does not hold in place, remove it. Make sure the bulb is still seated properly, then reinstall once more. If inserting the socket base is difficult, you may want to use some mild lubricant on the seal.